Here's the InstaCuppa automatic motion sensor dustbin, which is ideal for kitchen, bathrooms and bedrooms. It's sleek and stylish and would grate anywhere in your house. It's strong and sturdy and doesn't break easily. It has a capacity of 9 liters, which is good. Here's the lid. Let's take a look at it. It's very important to note that you cannot wash the lid. You can keep it dry and clean with a cloth. It works on 2 AA batteries. Insert the batteries and secure the lid. Here's the automatic sensor, and beside you will find a button for manual operation. It comes with 0.3 seconds quick open functionality and 5 seconds auto close. Manually you can press the button to open or close the dustbin. Place a garbage bag as shown and place the lid on top. The lid is nice and secure. You can use this dustbin with a wave of your hand or tilt your knees to use it. You can even use it manually as per your convenience.